Lancaster Products L-Series Low Shear Mixer offers precise, thorough mixing, ideal for maintaining ingredient integrity. The pan rotates in one direction through a countercurrent mixing action, while the mixing tools move in the opposite, ensuring thorough yet low-energy mixing. Available with optional custom tooling configurations, Muller assemblies deliver the kneading, rubbing, and smearing action of a mortar and pestle, while plow action alone offers gentle kneading. This advanced mixing technology is ideal for applications like ceramics, concrete, and refractory materials. It preserves the material's integrity, reduces abrasion, and prevents overheating. Whether you're mixing viscous, abrasive, or non-Newtonian materials, Lancaster Products L-Series mixers deliver consistent, high-quality results. Ideal for both research and production, these mixers ensure uniformity across every batch. Experience superior quality and efficiency with low-shear mixing. Discover how Lancaster Products can enhance your mixing process.